Hello students, today for this instructional video we are going to be going over your problem solution essay. Alright, first up, what is a problem solution essay? It is a popular form of persuasion. In this essay you must describe a problem, convince the reader to care about the problem, propose a solution, and be prepared to dismantle any objections. A good problem solution essay is going to propose a solution that can be implemented somewhat easily and will of course solve the problem. You must avoid any and all vagaries, which is an unexpected and inexplicable change in a situation or in someone's behavior, and stick to a specific problem with steps and actionable steps. Alright, so here's your formula for success. First, you want to introduce the problem. You want to do this in your introduction paragraph where you outline the problem, identify what it is and what needs to be solved. After you've done so, you should state your thesis. In problem solution essays, your thesis will be your solution to the problem, and you want to state your thesis in one sentence. Next up, make the reader care. Don't just describe the problem in bland definitions. Describe it from the reader's eyes. Introduce the subject in a way that will make the reader take interest. Why does the problem matter? Why should they care? There are many ways to lure readers in. Staggering statistics is a really good way. A heartfelt personal narrative is also a good way. And make it sound exciting. Next up, outline your solution. Once you've drafted the introduction, it's time to dive into the body of your essay. For your body, you will have 2 paragraphs. You should begin with clarity, so explain your solution in the second body paragraph. So in our first body paragraph, you're going to identify the problem. And then our second body paragraph, you're going to identify the solution. Again, cite evidence for your solution. You're going to be doing some fact cards on Google Slides, so that's where you're going to find those really important facts that will help your essay. You also want to keep sound logistics in mind. So how is this solution going to work? And finally, paint a picture. So bring the essay to the close in the conclusion paragraph. Describe the steps that should take place next, and end your body paragraph in a way that makes them want to take action. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at our assignment sheet. Alright, so your essay description, you will write an essay which informs us about a problem and then offers at least 2 solutions to the problem with cited research. This may be persuasive or simply informative. Alright, so this is what your paragraphs are going to look like. And I also have an example essay that we'll look at today as well. So the introduction must contain all required parts and a very strong and clear thesis. The first body paragraph will explain the problem in detail and inform the reader as to why they should care about the issue. Examples and solid description of the problem's background and or cause should be given. The second body paragraph must also offer at least 2 logistical and possible solutions to the problem. Explain why each solution would be good and possibly address why some people might object to the solution. Your conclusion will contain a summary, a technique, and if not done earlier, a recognition of objections to the solution offered. And you can have more than 2 body paragraphs if your problems and solutions are complex. That would be a good idea, but I'm only requiring you have 2 body paragraphs. Alright, let's look at our requirements. You should have your topic approved. You'll turn this into Google Classroom. You will work on 10 fact cards, and you must submit a double-spaced 12-point font Times New Roman essay with at least 4 paragraphs. I would like you to take a look at the essay schedule and important due dates. These are available on the assignment sheet on Google Classroom. Let's go ahead and jump over to the rubric. I'm going to go over what it takes to earn all 5 points on each of the criterias. So for introduction and function, you have all 3 parts, all function well, and the thesis is 1 sentence in the last sentence. So this is for your introduction paragraph. Next up will be body paragraph 2, exceptional topic sentence and conclusion sentence, chunks and methods of coherence, problem thoroughly established with exceptional facts. Next will be body paragraph 2, exceptional topic sentence and conclusion sentence, chunks and methods of coherence, clearly 2 rational solutions supported by facts and logical reasoning. Basically checking to make sure you have an organized paragraph as well as what the paragraph's purpose should be. Conclusion structure has exceptional aspect of summary, uses a technique well, and has 3 or more sentences. Vocab use and essay flow, exceptional vocab use, exceptional voice and mature and varied sentences. Writing has beautiful and natural flow throughout the essay. Content, totally logical, well supported, and appropriate. And then grammar mechanics, no errors. This essay is 35 points possible, and you will have other assignments that go with this essay. Next up will be topic approval. So these are the list of approved topics that you can choose from. And if there's any others that you're really interested in, you can also propose those to me. And these are a list of not approved topics. And you're going to write your topic in here, and I will comment on the Google Classroom assignment whether it is approved or not. Please let me know if you have any questions. As always, we'll be working on this for quite a while. So do your best and have a great day.